Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with Xverify. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to verify email addresses in real time as people fill out your forms, helping you maintain clean data and reduce bounce rates. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready so you can access your account smoothly. After logging in, look towards the upper left corner of the page where you'll see My Workspace, click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This will take you to your Forms dashboard where you can view and manage all your existing forms. Now, in the upper left of the page, you'll find a button that says Create Form. Click on it to begin building a new form. You'll be presented with several options for starting your form. For this tutorial, select Start from Scratch and then choose Classic Form. This gives you a clean slate to work with. Once your form builder opens, direct your attention to the left panel. Here, click on Add Element. This is where you'll find all the form fields you can add. For our purposes, click or drag the full name field into your form, and then do the same with the phone field. These basic elements will serve as the foundation for your form. Next, navigate to the top of the form builder and click on the Settings tab. This is where you'll configure the more advanced features of your form. Within the Settings area, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Integrations tab to access the various third-party tools you can connect with Jotform. In the Integrations section, use the search bar to look for Xverify. Once you find it, select the Xverify email widget from the results. This is the specific integration that will enable email verification on your form. After selecting it, click Add to Form to proceed with the integration. Now you'll need to configure the widget settings. Click on the widget settings icon and a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll enter your Xverify API key. Paste your API key into the API key field. If you don't have your API key yet, you'll need to obtain it from your Xverify account dashboard. You also have the option to customize additional settings. For instance, you can set whether to allow unknown emails by toggling the option to yes or no depending on your preference. Once you've made your selections, click Update to save these settings. Give the system a moment to process and apply your changes. Finally, to ensure everything is working correctly, click Preview Form in the upper right corner of the page. This allows you to test your form and see the Xverify integration in action before publishing it. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Xverify with your Jotform, which will now verify email addresses as users submit their information. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.